Thank you all for being here with us today at Blue Ridge Mental Health Care. We just took a tour inside of the building. You're going to be able to see a little bit of the building on Mike's video. It's beautiful inside. You guys have done such a great job. So first I'd like to ask Mayor Cockrell if she'd like to say a few words.
Yes, thank you. So I'm very excited to be here today with Becky. She's a longtime member of our community and bringing a service to our community that I personally, as an educator in Warren County, can say that it's needed. I know that Becky will be working with all ages, not just youth and adolescents, but all. But I can't say enough how just all the generations are in need of this. We often talk about just all the different populations, not youth, but even our homeless population and all that. And I tell people all the time that you stereotype people when a lot of times mental health is the issue. Mental health is the issue, and there are not enough providers. I cannot stress that enough. So I'm so thankful that there's another provider in our community. Very easy to find, beautiful environment, very welcoming in there. I think that people feel like they're just coming in.
That's
they're
right.
just coming in and hanging out.
Just
coming for a visit. So anyway, welcome. I said way too much, but I'm so grateful for you to
so much.
invest in our community, because not just as a business, but as a people,
That's
investing
right.
in our people. So thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Rebecca, would you say a few words?
Yes, so thank you very much for Mayor Cockrell and everyone being here today. This is an exciting day. It's been a long time coming. It's a huge dream of mine. I am so blessed to be able to be here today and make this come to fruition. So Blue Ridge Mental Health Care is on the ground and open for business.
Very good. All right, guys, so here's how we're going to do it. We're going to count back from 3,
Okay.
and at 1, we're going to cut a ribbon. Everybody ready?
Yeah, we'll back up for you a little bit. Ready?
3,
2, 1.
1.
There you go. All right.
Rebecca, you just had a great ribbon cutting. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your organization and what it's all about?
Absolutely. So we're Blue Ridge Mental Health Care. I'm born and raised here in Warren County, and I wanted to open a mental health practice here in the area because it is a certified need here, and not just here in Warren County, but the surrounding areas. And being able to offer this service opens access to care for individuals, and I want it to be inviting. I want it to be warm and cozy, and that's why we're here.
Well, tell us where we're at, because people don't know. We're on Virginia Avenue, but you're in a very old house.
Yes. So our address is 624 Virginia Avenue. It's an older Victorian home. I always refer to it to the individuals as the big blue house on the street.
Yes?
Yes.
Well, I'm looking on the wall behind us here, and I see certificate from Shenandoah University.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about some of your experience.
Well, I graduated from Shenandoah University with my bachelor's in nursing in 2008. I went back in 2011 and graduated with my master's in healthcare management and nursing education.
Okay.
And then in 2017, I graduated with my postmaster certificate as a psychiatric nurse practitioner.
Well, you're well versed.
Thank you.
So now tell us, what do people expect? I mean, what's your customers like?
All right. Well, I serve all ages. So children, adolescents, teenagers, adults, those at the end of their lifespan,
Sure.
all walks.
Do doctors refer people to you, or do they just call you on the phone and say, "Hey, Rebecca, I think I need to come talk to you"?
That's right, both. So physician referral, hospital referral. Our website, we have received a good bit of referrals through there, so it's an open referral process.
Sometimes you just need someone to listen to, don't you?
That's right.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm here for.
Yeah, that's great. Well, we really appreciate you. Welcome to the community. You've been here for a little while already. But
Just a tad bit.
just a little bit.
Yeah.
But I think it's great. In fact, I think we've talked to a few other businesses that they're not like yours, but similar.
Right.
And again, there's such a big need
It is.
for, we're seeing that all the time with the police and the fire department, and we're turning them into therapists.
Right,
Yeah.
absolutely. And so I'm glad you mentioned that. So that was another reason for opening here, was that I wanted to have a place for our healthcare workers, our law enforcement, and our first responders to come come and have a place to also receive care and have a person to listen to and understand and be able to
Sure.
recognize.
Well, years ago, we hear a lot about, the PTSD and all those mental things. And, before we used to call it all sorts of names,
Right.
Now we're realizing that it is something serious. It's real.
It is real.
Yeah. Well, we appreciate you here, and we're going to touch base with you again here in the future. We're going to put all the information below so
Okay.
people can go to your website and check it all out.
That sounds great. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Rebecca. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.